Jamaica. Don't mind the breeze, guys. It's windy. I ain't got no mic. I'm using the GoPro, the waterproof GoPro. We're still at the hotel. It's not the best, but it's good. They have a little jerk chicken spot over there. We got some jerk chicken and yam and sweet potato wedges. They normally have jerk chicken and pork, but they were order pork. No, I don't eat any of those, so I had some rice and peas with wedges. They have jerk chicken and stuff like that. But it's good. I had that with the sauces, with the jerk sauce and the barbecue sauce. It was good. They use Grace jerk sauce. But yeah, I'm here, right by the ocean. They got this little hammock in the middle of the ocean. It's nice. Hotel, guys, you could check it out. It's not as great, but for the money it's good. You know what I'm saying? You could check them out. It's not too bad. As I said, get what you pay for, you know. The less you pay in Jamaica, the less don't get me wrong, the staff are excellent, but the hotel itself has issues, right? The hotel itself has issues, but our Jamaican people, they're excellent. They try their best, they do their best. If you see somebody and they're not actually taking care of you, it's because maybe they're in a position where it's just, you know what I'm saying, where they do their best. They try their best. They try to make all the customers, all the guests feel good. You know, they go out of their way. So the people that work here is awesome. I've been tipping them real good. But as far as the hotel itself and the, I guess it's the owners or the upper heads, they ain't doing shit for the hotel itself. So our people have to work with those conditions. You know what I'm saying? You know, they can't get to perform the way how they want to perform with the hospitality, and you know what I'm saying? Because they're there taking care of the guests, making the guests happy. But guys, the battery low, so I'm gonna kind of sign off of this one. I'm gonna get my other camera so I could continue recording. But you know. Me no like ass, brother. Me no like ass. Eh? No, sir, we no like ass or ass. Me no like them thing there. Boats and stuff like that over there. It's kind of windy today. As I said, the hurricane just passed through last week, so the water is still rough. It's kind of clean, because as you can tell, it's clean. It's clean, but it's just windy and a little bit rough. So any kind of water sports right now, it would be recommended, right? It's too windy. So, you know, at this time of year, hurricane, the only thing you could do is just eat, drink, sleep, chill on the beach all day. If you want to go on the streets, you know, grab a taxi or arrange a ride. That does get expensive, so you know, you could go down in the town of Falmouth. We're in Trelawney, Jamaica, so you could go in the town of Falmouth and, you know, buy some local food or something. But you know, the room we moved to is not bad. That room is cleaner, so it's okay now, you know. But overall experience, I would give it a 3 out of 5. But yeah, yesterday I didn't get to come in the water. The water is nice and warm, by the way. Caribbean waters is always nice and warm. It's not cold. But yesterday I didn't come in the water, so I wanted to come in the water and do a little vlog. As I said, this camera, guys, is shaky, so bear with me. It might not be as smooth. It's an action cam GoPro. This is the older camera. It's filming on the Hero GoPro Hero Session. I believe it is. It's old, but it still works. It's waterproof and it's just this small. So yeah, man. But is what it is. It's still early. The sun is out, but it's still early. It's like 9:30 in the morning. I wanted to come down like 6 in the morning when it's much calmer. But I was there editing yesterday's video, so now I'm done with yesterday's video. I added uploading. Internet kind of move a little bit slower, so it took me a little bit of time. Yesterday's video is going up to the tube right now as we speak. You know, yeah, man. But it's not too bad. Come to Jamaica, guys. Even if with my excuses and complaints, still come to Jamaica. You could come to the same hotel. You might find it, you know, you might get a better experience. I'm not saying that the experience here wasn't good. I love it. It's good. But those are the things, the issues we had. So, but it's good. Come to Jamaica. Jamaica, nice. That's what I say. Right now things kind of just a little bit messed up because of the hurricane. People's minds messed up right now. The workers are thinking about, you know, what got messed up and all of that. It's just a little bit stressful for everybody. The hurricane just passed. Today is Tuesday. It just passed last Wednesday, so they're just recovering from that. So you gotta remember, the staff got houses and stuff too, so they're probably, you know what I'm saying, their houses probably got damaged and stuff. You know, you gotta bear with them, you know, bear with all the staff. But yeah, man, I only wish they would have cleaned this area, like, you know, the seaweed and stuff. There's a lot of seaweed. All that right there, that's a lot of seaweeds. So what they should do is go in here and clean this whole area behind that white line that they got, that barrier. Just clean the whole entire area from seaweeds. There's up there, it's kind of stony. They can't really do anything about those stones. It's like coral. But here they could clean all this weed, get rid of it, make it nice and white. The sand is very nice. The sand is nice. nighttime every day. It's gonna be would have been nice and clear. That's the only thing. I was speaking to the lifeguard the other day, and he was saying they ain't doing nothing. That's how it is ever since he's here. They don't clean those seaweeds. So, and then when you have the seaweeds, then you get all these little leaf things. See all these little leaves. And you end up getting the seaweeds all over. See? But if they had cleaned that out, you wouldn't have had any of them. But yeah, guys, let me check and see if it's still recording. Because GoPro tend to just stop recording when it feels like it overheats. It's gonna stop recording. But yeah, guys, it's nice. It's nice and warm there. It feels really good. Families, so that's the family side here. That's the family side, and this is the adult side on this side. So you have just couples over here, and then family on the other side. Jamaica, you don't choose this hotel right here, you can choose many other hotels here in Jamaica on the coast. You guys still working on the huts over there, the tiki huts. I guess the hurricane blew the tops off, so they're fixing them right now as we speak, putting the thatch roof back on. Guys, I'm not sure if the camera is picking up audio well. As I said, I put it on the water, so I don't know. And then I don't know if I'm too close or too far. So bear with me. I'm just getting the sea footage for you guys. But yeah, so after this, I'm gonna get me another rum, because we have to drink rum every day while we're here, get our money's worth. For the money we spent, it's I think we ate enough and drink enough to offset that price. As I said, the experience is not too great, but it's good. I didn't regret it. I needed that time off, so I didn't regret it. But yeah, guys. Get stuck into the weeds. Weeds feel terrible when you step in. Yeah. But yeah, guys. Whoa. Yeah, nice little break, So, for all who've been watching, the subscribers who've been watching, thanks for the extra subscribers. Since I came here, I got a few more subscribers. Not much, but I'm always grateful. Also, we decided to take a little break before we start working. So, for those guys who's following, I am building out a restaurant from scratch. So it's a lot of work that has to be done for the next couple months, right up until November, December. So this break right here, when I'm done with the build, I would come and take this break. So we decided to just take the break before we start all the work. So I'm actually taking my vacation before the work instead of after the work. As I said, if I didn't do this now, then it would be next year before I could take that break, or maybe not even next year, because when you start a business, you gotta be there almost every day, you gotta be there every day to make sure everything runs smooth for at least the first year or two, So So I'm thinking, let's take a break now and start working once we get back. So once I get back, guys, I'm gonna go, full speed ahead on the build. We're still waiting on permits, so tomorrow we'll find out if everything is good as far as permits. The architect should have turned in all the corrections by now. I'm gonna shoot my text later on today, and then see where we're at when it comes to the permits. So hopefully by the end of the week, all the corrections would have been in. They give us the go ahead, then we could start hopefully next week get the permit to build. It's a process because even although the county is doing the review, we also have to take those approved plans to the city, and then the city was gonna give us our permits to build. So it's quite a bit of process before we can get started. That is weird, guys. Yeah. So as I said, excuse me, and don't worry about the shakiness of the camera. It doesn't have that anti-shake. This is one of the older GoPro that it's kind of shaky. I'm trying to hold my hand steady, but the waves are pushing me around, so it's not as smooth. That's why them call it action cam. We're action right now. Here are the wet, guys. Let's see how much footage we got. So we got like 24 minutes. I'm gonna cut this one off, guys. I'm gonna head back up, wash off, and then probably go get some lunch or some more rum or something and chill out, come back down here and chill.